Hey guys, welcome to Digital Tech Studio. In this tutorial, I'm going to share how to paste without formatting on Mac. So we will be using this example of Notepad here. So right now you can see there are text with bold, underline, italics, and this is the normal text. And if I type anything, it will be in the normal text itself. You might have aware that to copy the text with formatting, what we can do is you can simply just press Command C and then Command V, which will paste the text with formatting. However, if we do not want the formatting, what we can do is we can just copy the text again, and after copying we can press Command, Option, Shift and V, which will paste in the normal mode. So you can see this is the bold text and it is without the bold but the same. Similarly, we can just copy this one and then we can just paste here at the bottom using the same keyboard key, which is Command, Option, Shift and V. You can see the text has been pasted without formatting. So let's also try this last one. I will just press Command C here, which will copy the text, and let me show you with Command V with formatting. So this is with formatting. Now I will press Ctrl Z, which will undo that particular copied text, and now I will press Command, Option, Shift and V, and it will paste in the normal without any formatting. So this keyboard shortcut will work across all the macOS system to paste without formatting. I hope you find this video helpful. Please hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.